Hey guys, what's happening? How to cancel GoogleOne subscription. So if you signed up through the Apple App Store, what you're gonna do, you can just go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, click your name at the top, and you're gonna find subscriptions. Just go ahead and press subscriptions, and you're gonna confirm via facial recognition, and from within you can cancel your GoogleOne subscription. So this is a demonstration, right? The same settings, but for different platform. Just hit cancel subscription. You're gonna confirm that you want to cancel your GoogleOne subscription. But if you're Android user, what you're gonna do, stay on the GoogleOne platform, okay, and hit the three bars to the top left, okay, and find settings, right? And from within, right, you're gonna be able to cancel membership. You're gonna find cancel membership option. You're gonna confirm the cancellation. All right. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.